Rahul Gandhi has made a fresh attack on Modi because he is also conducting several rallies in the very state today. Prime Minister claims 56-inch chest, but he is coward. After Modi can dance on stage for votes attack, this is Rahul's fresh attack saying Modi can do yoga for votes. Rahul Gandhi has come out to say that tell Modi to do asanas for votes. Rahul repeats, Modi afraid of Trump claims. So these are, in fact, viewers, as we speak, these are live visuals coming in. He's supposed to be conducting rallies in two major places, Begusarai and Khagaria today, along with Tejashwi Yadav itself. But these are the big attack, or rather big remarks made by him.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी आपको भाषण देते हैं, आते हैं, वायदे करते हैं, चुनाव के दिन तक जो भी आप कहते हो कर देंगे, और चुनाव के बाद नरेंद्र मोदी ना बिहार आएंगे, ना आपकी बात सुनेंगे, चले जाएंगे। मैं तो कहता हूं अगली बार जो भी करवाना करवा लो। जैसे मीटिंग में आते हैं वो आप भीड़ से कहना, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ये सीट हम आपको जिता देंगे, जरा स्टेज पे डांस कर लो, और नरेंद्र मोदी डांस कर लेंगे। या फिर कहना उनसे, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हम आपको चुनाव जितवा देंगे, आप 2-3 योगा के आसन कर दो स्टेज पे, योगा के आसन कर देंगे। 56 इंच की छाती है, मगर सच्चाई ये है कि आदमी में कितना दम होता है वो छाती के साइज से नहीं पता लगता। कितनी बड़ी छाती है उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है। गांधी जी सुपर पावर से अंग्रेजों से लड़े, उनकी कोई इतनी बड़ी छाती नहीं थी, मगर डरते नहीं थे। तो ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जिनकी छाती इतनी बड़ी नहीं है और डरते नहीं हैं, और ऐसे भी लोग हैं जिनकी 56 इंच की छाती है और डरपोक हैं।
So you can see, viewers, there's a war of words very out in the open, with road shows taking place simultaneously for the NDA camp and the Mahagathbandhan camp. And Rohit Singh continues to be with us on the broadcast. Rohit, very interesting comments coming in from both sides and attacks coming in from both sides. We heard the cowardly remark, the coward jibe that's taken by Rahul Gandhi at the Prime Minister. But more importantly, last time he had made that comment with regards to the Prime Minister can be made to dance for votes. There was an MCC violation that was cited by the BJP, a complaint filed. This time again, he's made a similar attack saying that Prime Minister will be doing yoga asanas if you want him to do that for winning a particular seat. How are we looking at this?
Well, see, it's getting all murky and murky with each passing day as the voting day draws closer. And today, Rahul Gandhi has also taken pot shots at the Prime Minister, the 56-inch ka seena and all those things he has used to hit out at the Prime Minister Modi. But let me tell you, as I speak at this point of time, I'm in Mokama, the hot seat, and where it's the clash of the two Bahubalis, and behind me there's a rally which is going on, which Tejashwi Yadav is addressing, and very important seat after Anand Singh was arrested yesterday in connection with the killing of Dular Chand Yadav. It's the first visit of Tejashwi Yadav to Mokama, where he is addressing this rally here. And another Bahubali, Suraj Bhan Singh's wife, Veena Devi, is contesting from this seat. And very interesting to see how Tejashwi Yadav is now in Mokama and reaching out to the voters, raising the issue of law and order prevailing in the state. But what has happened in the last 24 hours is very, very crucial to note that how Dular Chand Yadav was in fact lost his life in Mokama a couple of days back, and now Anand Singh, the JDU candidate, another Bahubali and gangster, has now been arrested in this case. And after that, Tejashwi Yadav right now addressing a rally here, right here in Mokama. Back to you.
Right, Rohit. Mokama indeed has become quite a hotspot at this given point, given the serious incident that's taken place, as you were also mentioning the details of. But right now, viewers, let me quickly take you back to the remarks that's been made by both leaders, given that it's become a stage set for war of words out in the open, and the rallies, let us tell you, for the day has just begun. Let's listen in to some of them.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी आपको भाषण देते हैं, आते हैं, वायदे करते हैं, चुनाव के दिन तक जो भी आप कहते हो कर देंगे, और चुनाव के बाद नरेंद्र मोदी ना बिहार आएंगे, ना आपकी बात सुनेंगे, चले जाएंगे। मैं तो कहता हूं अगली बार जो भी करवाना करवा लो, जैसे मीटिंग में आते हैं वो आप भीड़ से कहना, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ये सीट हम आपको जिता देंगे, जरा स्टेज पे डांस कर लो, और नरेंद्र मोदी डांस कर लेंगे। या फिर कहना उनसे, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हम आपको चुनाव जितवा देंगे, आप 2-3 योगा के आसन कर दो स्टेज पे, योगा के आसन कर देंगे। 56 इंच की छाती है, मगर सच्चाई ये है कि आदमी में कितना दम होता है वो छाती के साइज से नहीं पता लगता। कितनी बड़ी छाती है उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है। गांधी जी सुपर पावर से अंग्रेजों से लड़े, उनकी कोई इतनी बड़ी छाती नहीं थी, मगर डरते नहीं थे। तो ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जिनकी छाती इतनी बड़ी नहीं है और डरते नहीं हैं, और ऐसे भी लोग हैं जिनकी 56 इंच की छाती और डरपोक हैं।